Are you looking for the top 5 best e-bike racks with ramp for easy loading? Looking for the best way to transport your e-bike without the struggle? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Tanks Heavy Duty Rack. Let's kick things off with the Tanks Bike Rack for e-bikes. Priced at $159.82, this rack caught my eye because of its impressive weight capacity of 160 pounds. If you want a sturdy option for heavy e-bikes, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Tanks rack fits any 2-inch hitch receiver, which means it's compatible with a wide range of vehicles, from SUVs to trucks. Plus, it can handle fat tire bikes with tires up to 5 inches wide. The foldable and tilting design allows for easy trunk access, so you won't have to unload your bikes just to grab your gear. The anti-wobble system is another highlight. It keeps your bike stable even on bumpy roads, which is a huge plus for peace of mind. Now, some people complained about the assembly process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, you're good to go with no issues. If you're someone who rides often and needs a reliable rack, this one could be a great fit. This is perfect for you if you frequently transport heavier bikes and want something sturdy without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for a very lightweight option, since it does weigh around 33.4 pounds. Overall, it's a solid value for what you're getting. Now, if the Tanks rack's assembly concerns you, the next
Product number 2, Iron Deer Eco Pro. Next up is the Iron Deer Eco Pro, priced at $346. What stands out here is the 200 pounds capacity, which means it can handle 2 heavy e-bikes easily. If you want something that can hold both bikes securely, this is definitely worth considering. The built-in ramp is a game changer, making loading and unloading a breeze. You won't have to lift your bikes at all, which is a relief after a long ride. The anti-wobble design means that once it's hitched up, it won't rattle or move around, giving you confidence on the road. Plus, the tilting function allows you to access your trunk without removing the bikes, which is a feature I find super convenient. However, some users mentioned that it's a bit heavier at 58.5 pounds, making it less portable compared to others. But honestly, that added weight contributes to its stability, so I'd consider it a fair trade-off. This rack is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-capacity, sturdy option that's easy to load. Skip this one if you need something lightweight or if you only have one bike. For the price, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Product number 3, Eco Pro Upgraded Rack. Coming in hot is the Eco Pro Upgraded 200-pound rack, also from Iron Deer, priced slightly higher at $347. This rack shares a lot of features with the previous one, but adds an upgraded design, making it even easier to use. Like its sibling, it has a 200-pound capacity and an integrated ramp for easy loading. What really caught my attention is its foldable design with wheels, allowing you to easily move it around when it's not on the car. This feature is perfect if you're short on space in your garage. The locking mechanisms ensure your bike stays secure and safe, which is a must-have when you're on the road. There are some complaints about it not fitting all hitch types, particularly RVs and trailers. Here's the thing though, if you're using it primarily on cars and SUVs, you'll be just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a well-rounded rack that combines convenience and capacity. Skip this one if you need to use it on a trailer. For under $350, you're investing in something that's built to last. Now, if you're looking for a product number 4, Pacific Crest Hitch Rack. Next, let's check out the Pacific Crest Hitch Rack, which comes in at a budget-friendly $134.99. What's great about this rack is its impressive 160 pounds capacity while keeping the price low. If you're looking for a solid entry-level option, this is worth your time. The anti-rattle technology is a nice touch, eliminating any annoying noise while driving. Plus, it tilts away for trunk access even when bikes are loaded, which I found genuinely surprising considering its price point. It's designed for both e-bikes and fat tires, accommodating a variety of bike types. However, some customers mentioned that the assembly instructions could use some improvement. I'll be real with you, while it's not the easiest to put together, once it's set up, it works like a charm. This rack is perfect for you if you want an affordable yet reliable option for occasional use. Skip this one if you're a frequent rider needing something more heavy-duty. For the price, it's tough to beat. Now, if you're looking for a premium option with some really smart features,
Product number 5, TerryPlays e-bike rack. Finally, we have the TerryPlays e-bike rack, which is priced at $348.99. What sets this rack apart is its ultra-lightweight aluminum design, making it one of the easiest to handle on our list. If you want something that won't weigh you down, this is definitely worth a look. This rack boasts a 200 pounds capacity, perfect for heavier e-bikes, and features a foldable ramp for easy loading. The tiltable design allows for trunk access, which is super handy for those quick stops. It even includes wheels for easy transport, which I found incredibly convenient. One downside to note is that it has a higher price point compared to other racks. But here's the thing, the materials and features make it a worthwhile investment if you frequently transport your bikes. This is perfect for you if you value ease of use and lightweight design. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, as the premium features come with a premium price tag. Overall, it's a great choice if you want a reliable rack that's easy to manage. Now, let's wrap everything up and help. So, to recap, we reviewed 5 quality e-bike racks, each with its unique strengths. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Iron Deer Eco Pro because it balances capacity, ease of use, and features perfectly. On the flip side, I'd avoid the Tanks rack if you're not up for a bit of assembly. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.